Onisilebu Pupo. Oro Onisilebu Pupo. Anyone, that is what I say. Oro Onisilebu Pupo, it can be 4, 5, 6. Okay. Starting from so bá sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ní sílébù púpọ̀, mo lè sọ pé Olúwa mi wá. Olúwa mi wá. If you notice that this one is consonant and vowel. Consonant and vowel. Consonant and vowel. Consonant and vowel. This one is only vowel because Yoruba words, Yoruba names start from the vowel. Any Yoruba names that you see that starts from capital letter, it has already cut. Some will say like Dewale now. When we say Dewale, it has been cut. You know, we have prefix and the suffix, so it has already been cut. So it can be Ifawamiwale, it can be Adewamiwale, it can be Shogowamiwale, and so on. So Oluwamiwa. Can you see now? How many syllables? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can count your hands when you are writing or reading or pronounce Yoruba, and the way anything that comes out from your mouth is what you write down. O, you know, O, letter O. Lu, you know that the first letter is Li. U, Lu. Wa, the first letter there is Wi, Wa. And the second letter A, Wa. Me, the first letter there is Me. I, Wa, like this one now. Oluwamiwa. Jayeola. Jayeola. Olujayeola. Omogbemi. So we also have another words like that's number 1, number 2. Omoponmile. Omoponmile. Omoponmile, we want to make it in syllable. Sorry. Omoponmile. Omoponmile. How many syllables again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see that this one is one of Faweli Aranmupe. Aranmupe. Mi, le. Omoponmile. So that is what we have for the Oro Onisilebu Pupo. Oro Oni, you can find so many examples. Like animals, Ejo, we have 2 syllables. Ewure, we have Ejo, which is snake. Ewure, which is goats, for example now. Now, Ejo, look at the way you call it. You know, I didn't put mark under it. Mi ò yan nídìí. Ejo. How many syllables? Ejo, 2. Ewúrẹ́, how many syllables? 3. Ewúrẹ́, ewúrẹ́. Are we going to mark it? Yes, but we are not going to mark this one. Ewúrẹ́, ewúrẹ́, ewúrẹ́. Sound like a also. It sound like a. Ejo, ejo. There are 2 syllables. So you can make many syllables like the one, but the only thing is that you can count your fingers before you write it down, and the one you pronounce outside is what you will write down.